How to fix Instagram follower count frozen. So if you're facing a problem with the follower count on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first tap and hold on to that Instagram application. Go with the app info and tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now your problem might be fixed. You need to again open or relaunch your Instagram, and you can go with profile, which is on the bottom right, and tap on the follower count, and now your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar. Scroll down and tap on help. Now tap on report a problem and tap on report problem again and tap on don't include, and here you need to explain briefly like, hello Instagram, my follower count is not updating and someone I know followed me, please check it out and update it. Once you've written that, you can go with send, and after that your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Instagram follower count frozen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.